Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Wednesday Wisdom. My name is JB Hilliard, and these are typically short video snippets designed to answer questions that you may have about estate planning or probate, or maybe there are other legal concerns that may be impacting your household. And every now and then I take a slight departure from the legal world to just give insight or tidbits about something else. And that is the case for this week's video. Since tax season has officially started, I thought it would be prudent to remind you, or some of you at least, that there are always going to be several tax scams going on out there. And so be careful, be wary. And the main advice I can give you, and the IRS would give you, is if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So, for instance, if you have a tax preparer or tax preparation company contacting you and or telling you that they can guarantee you a refund without even having looked at any of your paperwork, any of your numbers, then that's going to be a little too good to be true. And particularly if you know you've owed taxes for the last 10 years and your situation is pretty much the same as it has been, why would that change? And why would you be listening to a claim that you can get a refund all of a sudden? So use common sense and use discernment to make sure if you're working with someone for the first time, that you've done your due diligence in checking him or her out or checking the company out. And make sure you're doing one of those sanity checks. For instance, if you're claiming deductions that you've never claimed before, or your tax preparer is helping you claim deductions that you've never claimed before, that should be a red flag. Or if you're claiming some of the same deductions that you have in the past, but the numbers are exponentially larger than they ever have been, but your income level is pretty much the same, that should be a red flag. And so I say all this because I do prepare taxes, not through my law firm, but through my other company. No, I'm not looking for new clients. But if you contact me, I probably won't turn you down. But all I'm saying is be careful. Those that advertise on social media or refer someone through social media, you just want to be extra careful. So with that said, happy tax season. Let's get those numbers crunched and get those tax returns in and get those refunds back, or pay that tax liability if you owe. I know you have until April to do that. So some of us tend to put that part off until the very last minute, but try to get it in. The sooner the better, though, because again, those scammers are out there and people are stealing identities left and right. So the sooner the better. Take care of your business. And as always, I thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.